Welcome back, everybody, to Triple F's Baby Fan Food Fair, sponsored by D.A.T.A Productions. Another beautiful day on the burner. Chef D.A.T.A is back today to prove his mettle once again. With his background specializing in efficient dishes that he evolved, it should be a good time. Art is always prone to have a good performance. But let's check to see what kind of scarf he's going to be wearing today. Usually it gives an inclination on what he's going to be cooking. What? Leonorian FC? I have no clue where he's going today, but let's see. Alright, we're preparing for the roster lineup. We have a sheet with foil, assuming we'll be baking something today. Maybe a souffle. Oh wow, I'm surprised. Chocolate chip cookies. Simple yet sweet. Interesting. Seems to me that Chef D.A.T.A wants to keep it simple and to the point today. No matter how many ingredients he has, he still is a professional. So let's see his first move today in the burner. Preheating his oven to 350 degrees. Nothing out of the ordinary there for chocolate chip cookies. Now he's going to oil up the pan with some spray, making sure he covers the whole sheet for the 24 count of cookies. Chef D.A.T.A is now placing the cubes of cookie dough on the sheet. Precision is key here. You want to make sure that the cookies do not stick together, so spacing is very important. If the cookies touch, that surely will hurt the performance today on the burner. Look at him work. Clinical. D.A.T.A now has his cookies lined up how he wants them, making sure that he's given enough room for the morsels to grow. Hope he was on his P's and Q's for the placement. With the bell sounding, time for the oven. I think he will try to put the cookies in the center of the oven for even heat around the cookie sheet, but let's get a close up to see what he actually does. Excellent placement, excellent. Looks like he's really trying to put on a good show today. Now, this is where the creativity and preference comes in. From research, D.A.T.A is a person who likes softer cookies, so I expect him to go a little bit lighter on the cooking time. 13 minutes, I see. No, 12 minutes. I wonder what went through his mind. He has the timer set, but let's see if that 1 minute will actually make it different on the final product. The oven cam reveals that the cookies are slowly but surely falling into place. We will take a look back later to see if D.A.T.A's placements was on par. I think everybody watching today is antsy with anticipation. D.A.T.A has been on a roll today, but no one is perfect. Quality control check from the oven cam. Seems as though the spacing was spot on. Time's up. Time to take him out the oven. D.A.T.A slides on his oven glove to pull out the sweet treats. And, wow, brilliance. Absolutely brilliant. Cookies are golden brown. All 24 have kept their intended form. Bravo. Bravo. He seems to never disappoint, this man. 2 of his cookies were close to touching, but in this sport, it's a game of millimeters. But we're not done just yet. The final check. You must let the cookie stand for 10 minutes. In that time, grab you a plate, glass, and some milk. Pour the milk. Place the cookies on the plate. Dump the cookie in some milk. Eat and enjoy. Another wondrous day on the burner. Check back for more Fan Food Fair presented to you by D.A.T.A Productions.